Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your own cryptocurrencies on your Binance application step by step. So first things first, we're going to open up our Binance. Once you've opened up your Binance, you'd be at the home, and you head over to the bottom right corner of the screen where we have the wallets. You click on wallets, and after clicking on wallets, you'd be dropped at your overview section, where you get a simple overview of all the wallets you currently have currencies inside of, both your spots, earning, funding, and cross margin, and also isolated margin. And now, in order to head over to your spot wallet, you simply swipe to your right, where you can get an overview of your spot wallet and the coins and cryptocurrencies inside. Same thing with funding, you simply swipe to the right. And in your funding wallet, you have your deposits. That's the fiat coins. Your fiat balance is also your funding balance. Your margin is where you take trades on Binance, your currencies that you use to take trades and stuff like that. In order to get the features, you have to open a features account, and then at the earn section, where you can view your cryptocurrencies that are currently working for you. That is to say, your staked coins and your daily earning coins, all that good stuff. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can see your own cryptocurrencies on the Binance application, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.